don't press too hard.
I'm afraid of poles now.
Look, your left side of your face, your right side of your face, your left shoulder,
can you do this?
your left knee, your right elbow. You're deteriorating, bro. You're deteriorating. Okay, we stopped at some cave before we get on the ferry. A giant table, look at it. You think I can vlog it?
No. No.
Hundreds of thousands. Like, look. Are you serious?
Wow, what a fantastic adventure. Thanks for bringing us here, Mario.
But how beautiful is this place? Look, the green is green.
It's pretty fun.
I guess the only way to get there is by boat. Or we can
I didn't want to mess my pants up. Started an art project, guys. What are you talking about?
I'd like to formally apologize to the hotel.
White wine, red wine.
Ooh la la.
First stop, Lanta Cinema. Why? I don't know. Vicky, we can watch the movie, you can play in there, and it'll be perfect. Good 1 minute tour.
It says closed.
Where?
They can just check online.
I know, I checked online too, but I think
Oh my
So you checked
God.
online, it said closed.
And he's like, let's go.
let's go. I like take the animals away, like where are they going? What is it? Oh, it's animal welfare clinic.
Hello, love.
No, are you closed?
Yeah.
Just like let
Like
us
you
in,
can just
like,
look around here, like, but you cannot enter the actual.
What's inside here?
Cats.
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 Are they doing a show? Well, it's a new experience. We saw one dog, and now we know what this place looks like. Our curiosity is quenched, and there is no more to be wondered of. Right?
What? Something, baby.
I'm a man!
You already know.
Where's that? I don't know. Travel lesson of the day. Everything always works out. People say you have to plan. Never plan. Never plan. Always leave it last minute. So it's just basically a bunch of trees. Bro, put on shoes. This is your fault.
Put on shoes if you can't handle it. Hold the monkey.
Mario! Can you bring my slippers, please? They're on the back seat on the left side.
Not too hot.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh, what is this place?
Mango forest.
Mango
boat.
Forest.
You're not macro free.
Not much to see, yeah?
Yeah, you can see only here.
Low tide gets pretty brutal out here. But this place actually looks pretty cool.
Love coconut bites.
Well, I found the coolest place ever, and it's like a room, and it's like called Hammock House.
1, 2, 3, 4. I say disco, you say party. Disco, disco.
Party, party.
I say disco, you say party. Disco.
Just want to surprise him, you know?
Yeah.
What do you think?
My new haircut.
You're gonna buzz? Yeah.
You're gonna go bald? Yeah. Hey, we're coming back. Hello.
My Lamborghini import from the New Zealand.
Nice.
Get going. You got
Oh my gosh, I got a little mate.
Close the door,
Yeah,
yeah.
you told us.
Safety.
Yeah, let me make it safe.
You didn't unlock it. You gotta...
How do you? That's an electrical wire. That's fucking.
No. Oh. Broken. Yeah.
I'll hold it. Okay.
Bye.
Oh, that is pretty cool.
Yeah, and it's like.
Wait a minute. What?
Okay, we all showered and it's time to go get dinner. We're at a restaurant, a nice establishment. This guy.